Hello, and welcome to Nikki's Puzzling Nook. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to be putting together the Tessellate puzzle by Puzzle Love. The puzzle is a 1,000-piece puzzle, and the puzzle pieces are random cut, which means they're all different shapes and sizes. So the puzzle comes with a magnetic box that it's stored in. There's a full-size poster that you receive so you can reference while you're puzzling. And it comes with a reusable bag that you can use to store the puzzles or travel with the puzzle if you don't want to bring the box with you. These puzzle pieces are great quality. They are not matte, but they are also not glossy. They make it really easy to see the richness of all the colors on this puzzle, all the different patterns. So as you can see, the puzzle pieces look very sturdy. I've never had a damaged piece from Puzzle Love, and I have quite a few of their puzzles. I just love the quality of these pieces and these puzzles. As you can see, there's quite a few different patterns on this puzzle. It kind of makes it very interesting and fun to do, and it allows you to find whichever way you want to puzzle. So you can either sort it out and make it really easy with lots of different piles, or you can sort as you puzzle and make it more challenging for yourself. As you can see, I decided to do a full sort, and I will talk about my method after this.
Give a little bit of loving, just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. Give a little bit of loving, just a little bit the real thing. You're the good treasure, my missing piece. Good as gold, yeah, that's guaranteed. It's something about you that brings me to my knees. That's something about you could satisfy my needs.
Alright, so I'm done sorting. So let's kind of go through this absolute chaos that is going on the table. I'm not going to go into each pile, but I will superimpose a picture of the puzzle onto the screen so you can see. But each of these piles is one of the little sections within the puzzle. So this is what makes this puzzle very fun, but also the sorting part of it can be slightly exhausting and overwhelming because you just have so many different textures that you can split it up into. But once you get here, this is where the fun really begins. Just one thing about these two big piles. So this one is just kind of the random pile. There's several parts of the puzzle that is just really hard to separate out, like those circles, the big circles, this one right here, these hearts. There's several different sections of hearts that can be very difficult to sort out. So they go in the random and then I put those together at the end. So let's start putting it together.
So, like I said, this is one of my favorite puzzles. It just keeps you really entertained. It's pretty quick as well. You're always moving. You can always move on to a different section if you're getting stuck somewhere. So I really enjoy it. I love these pieces. I love this brand. Like I said before as well, I have several of their puzzles now, and hopefully I'll be able to share a few more with you in the coming weeks. Um, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll really help my channel. I really appreciate it. Leave any comments down below of what you guys would like to see on this channel in the future. I'd love to hear your thoughts and what you guys are looking for. I'm hopefully going to be doing some puzzle brand reviews down the road, as well as doing some larger piece count puzzles as well. So let me know what you want to see. I look forward to hearing from you all, and I will see you in the next one.